Want some tea?
Sure. Thanks, Jake.
So what's up with the angry mob, PB?
Oh, they think I've been replaced with an evil lizard replicant. It's sheer nonsense. Eat this bug. Lizard!
Punch it, Nanoman! Wow, wow, wow!
What the fridge? Finn, Jake! Reptilian synthoid replicants are trying to take over the kingdom!
Yeah, we know.
Kill it! No! I'm the real one!
Hey, Speedy. You're coming with me.
What? Really?
Mm-hmm. 'Cause you ain't got enough peel on that nanner. You're under arrest for public indecency.
Bye, Banana Man.
It's not fair. It's okay, BMO. It's a very mild offense.